Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Curlyme and they sent me over this beautiful 22-inch Kinky straight 360 lace wig. And this one includes the wear and go technology. She also has that beautiful invisible strap that's gonna give you that nice cinch so you can wear your wigs up in high ponytails, top knot buns, you name it. This one here has a pre-everything cap construction. Even as a 360 lace wig, it did come with a pre-cut lace all the way around, so I didn't have to cut anything off, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. This one also includes nice and seamless tiny knots, so you get that beautiful invisible install. I've been wearing this one for 3 days straight already, and I've been getting tons and tons of compliments. So today we'll be doing a very easy beginner-friendly 360 lace wig install. In it, you'll see me style her like this. You'll see me style her like straight back. So in this one, you'll see me do like a no parting, just perfect hairline type of look, straight back, big lioness vibes. And then you'll see me go ahead and style her up into this beautiful half up, half down. And then also we'll do a high bun. I haven't done it yet in real time, so either way it goes, go ahead and sit back and relax, and let's get right into the tutorial. Okay love bugs, welcome back for another video. I got these cute new jammies. I'll have them linked down below, but I don't know, as we get into fall, I've been into long jammies. I'm usually like a short sleeve shorts kind of jammies, or just like a big t-shirt, but lately I've been wanting like the pants and the top that are long sleeve, and I'm loving it. I got 2 cute pairs from Costco last week. This week I got these, and I'm gonna order a bunch more, so that's exciting. Anyways, I've teamed up with Curlyme hair. They sent me over a package, and as you guys can see, I've already been into it, and I'm super productive. It's Saturday morning. We do have dance today, but my body woke me up on normal homeschool schedule, so I was up hours and hours early. So I cleaned my bathroom. I was like, what the heck, I might as well do my makeup, checked emails, did my banking and all of the things, and we ended up here on a Saturday morning, which just shows my age, right? Wanting to get up early on a Saturday morning. Anyways, we have here some free goodies. In this package, we did get some language. This is just like a card with all the info on it. Beautiful queen slaying. She's so pretty. I've been wanting to get into like jewels on the face. My kids had some in something my dad bought for them, and it's like, I want some of those. We also got the HD wig cap, super nice. We got an adjustable and removable, obviously, elastic band, and this is a little bit thinner than the traditional thick one. We also got some lashes. I like having a few packs like this because I do use my lashes still for my brand, and this is the only lashes I really use on a daily basis. But when I'm out and about and I got to do my makeup on the go, I like to have a pair ready to go, so this is perfect for that. And these are actually foaming lashes, so super cute. And then we also got some lace tape. This is a bunch. Sorry if I'm washing you guys out a little bit, but this is a bunch of strips of lace tape. So if you're a lace tape girl, this is for you. Okay, so now to the start of the show. This is a gorgeous Kinky straight wig. She has a pre-everything cap construction with a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. You have that nice scallop cut, so you will have that beautiful camel along the hairline, which also applies in the back with that beautiful scallop cut. When you flip her to the inside, you'll see the lace is a free part, so you'll be able to part as needed. This one also includes the invisible strap, which I'll show you in detail in just a moment. On the sides, you do get 2 combs. These are about like a small to medium size. You do get your adjustable and removable elastic band, and this is a thicker band, so they have a thinner band in your package should you want to switch it out, or you could take it off if needed. At the nape, you have a larger comb, and it appears to be removable. So if you are a girly who does not want or need the comb, you can definitely take that out. The ones on the sides are removable as well. And then here is a look at that 360 design with the invisible strap. So the invisible strap literally goes from ear to ear on the back. You'll be able to pull, and it has these stoppers here so that you'll be able to adjust it as needed. And I do love the fact that it's already pre-cut in the back, because typically you'd have to cut that excess lace back there, and it's already done for you. So let's go ahead and put her on and get started. This is a close-up of the lace. As I mentioned, this is beautifully pre-plucked. All you have to do is tint it to your perfect complexion and you'll be good to go. We do have some nice ear tabs here, and you guys already know I love to kind of remove those a little bit, so we'll definitely be doing that today. And it's far away from the lace, so you'll be able to remove the ear tabs and still hold on to your invisible strap in the back. This one can be set as a center part, and it also can be set as a side part. Super duper cute. There's enough density up top that if you want to do like a half up, half down, or if you want to like do twisties or cornrows, you can definitely do whatever you like. Also, you'll see you have those invisible straps here. For me, they come about right here. So there's a stopper on it. I don't know if you guys can see that because it is invisible. And you'll just find that and you'll just adjust it as tight as you need it to go. And you will definitely feel it getting like more tight, aka more glueless. And I love that you can access it from the front because that way you can look in a mirror to see what you're doing. Whereas when I turn around and show you from the back, like you guys get to see it from the back, but I can't see back there. So it's nice, and they do go perfectly behind the ear. So you just get it nice and tight and it'll cinch up beautifully back there, which is what we like. I am gonna cut off the ear tabs. And you can see I was able to remove that piece. One thing I've noticed with wigs, especially like lace frontals and 360s, is when you remove or when you adjust the back really good, sometimes it will make the ear tab go, at least for me, behind my ear, which is kind of what I like anyways, because I prefer my wig to fit nice and glueless. I'm gonna push my wig cap back because it is HD and the lace is HD so you can see it. And now we have a good start to really bond her down beautifully. I'm gonna do just a little bit more. And this is how much we've did it. So now you can lift and tuck it under. Also, here's a look at the wig from the back. You can see you do have your comb back here, so you can go ahead and adjust and tuck it in. You also want to make sure that you adjust your straps as needed, and then you kind of just tuck them in really nicely. Now that the back is down, you can bond it down as needed. Okay, so for the melt, we're going to be using a little bit of lace spray. It's going to give that a nice shape.
Like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close.
And for me, the lace immediately melts down.
Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't trying to hear about what you won't do.
And just like that, look at how beautiful it looks, and we haven't even tinted the lace. For sure, this one is nice and beautiful and full. So I definitely want to go in and do some baby hair.
Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't trying to hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up. I'm trying to pull up. It seems like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I fit for the flex. Clear the phone call, hit my chick with a text. Parlay through the bird with my drip from the jets. Save a couple hundred by your with the rest. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy.
Now I like to go in and just dab out any product, but you can see how beautiful the hairline is. You definitely don't have to do baby hair at all, and if you want baby hair, you don't have to do it like me. I just like what I like. So I'm going to go ahead and tint it, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a milk belt to kind of lay it down and let it set.
Plenty to smoke, show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live.
This is one side done and one side not.
Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib.
From here, I'm gonna add a milk belt and just let this sit. Oh, we missed a step. I'm gonna do the dynamic duo before I put, oh.
Do not stun, I just rap what I do. Hey, winning like I ought to. I ain't wanna do it, but I got to. Smoking what my doctor told me not to. Got these wishing they was hot too. Ballin' like I need to. Got my exes.
This one's absolutely gorgeous. I really like it when you just brush the hair out and let it be nice and big. No parting, and just kind of like flip it over. Super big and beautiful like Mufasa. It's giving a definite natural vibe. Also, if you don't want to define the parting, you just literally take grab some of the hair, and you can do a ponytail, or you can grab it and push it towards like a clip, like a cute stylish one like this one. And you can push it up for a little height if you want. I'm out of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and rock it like this. My car ride, I am gonna put the melt belt on just to really let this set. And we're gonna wear it like this for the first few hours of the day. I'm gonna take the girls out to dance, and when we get back, we're gonna play in it and just switch up the style. Now it isn't perfect, but this is what it looks like clipped up in the back. Super simple and easy. Okay, love bugs, and we are back to the next clip, but believe it or not, it's Monday and this wig has not left my head. So now we can move forward, and I put back on the same pajamas because I had literally just put them on for the video because I had got them the night before and I haven't worn them since. So let's go ahead and style her up. This is essentially what it will look like set as a center part. Obviously, we would stamp that out and add a little lace tint. But you guys can see it's fun, it's cute, it's normal every day. But I think I want to do the half up, half down. You can also do, of course, a side part. And with all of these partings, you can like add braids or twisties, different cute little styles. You could even do like the curved side part. And that's what that looks like. I love the lace on this one. It looks very, very, very natural. That would also be cute. I kind of like that better than the center part. But yeah, let's do a half up, half down. Let's tint the lace. Okay, so this is the look. I went ahead and did a little bit of this, which is like a wax. It's like a flexible wax spray. And I did that on the sides and it definitely pressed this out. I like the hair to be big and fluffy, but I do also like for like the parting and that type of area, like the lace areas, to be more relaxed, if you will. I'm gonna switch my top really quickly and then we're gonna go in and just lightly straighten the hair. Okay, love bugs, now that you've seen it in the high pony, I think it looks cute like to the side, or you can just wrap it. Sometimes when you wrap it, you kind of twist it into that really tight like barrel or like cinnamon roll. And then sometimes you can kind of keep it loose and airy and just like make it big like this, and then just add a bobby pin and let it get really, really, really big, because even though it's long, I didn't add any extra hair, so it's not as dense, but you can really make a really pretty ponytail. And again, just go ahead and pin it. I think I said ponytail, but I meant bun. And then even once you pin it, you can stretch it even more, and I think that looks super cute. But let's go ahead and do the 360 design, or at least not do it, but show it off. So I'm just gonna drive the hair up. And that is the bun. Believe it or not, this is my favorite bun. I feel like it's such a girly look. Very simple and easy. Now we want to go ahead and make this look as good from the back as possible. So we're going to just, first of all, utilize that comb. There is a comb up in there. So I'm going to go ahead and drive it down as low as I can and push the comb in. That's going to bring the wig down a little bit further on my nape to cover up my little kitchen. Then I'm going to use my fingers to kind of just pull everything down back here so that we can just cover. And it doesn't have to be perfect, in my opinion. You more than anything just want to make sure that nothing is showing, and you kind of like lean on the baby hairs, even like around the ears for that 360. Just want to make sure everything is covered. From here you are good to go. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have the direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.